LionDesk CRM Review. Watch before using. Most businesses lose customers not because of bad service, but because of bad follow-up. You won't believe how many deals fall apart simply due to missed messages. LionDesk is a customer relationship management platform built mainly for real estate agents, loan officers, and sales teams who rely heavily on communication. It centralizes your contacts, conversations, tasks, and reminders into one easy-to-use dashboard. LionDesk allows you to store client information, track conversations, and automate follow-ups using email and text messages. The surprising truth about sales success is that consistent communication often matters more than persuasion skills. You can set automated campaigns that send welcome messages, reminders, or check-ins at specific times. For example, when a new lead signs up, LionDesk can instantly send a personalized greeting and schedule follow-up reminders. It also includes video messaging features that allow you to send short personalized videos to clients, which increases engagement and response rates. LionDesk integrates with popular tools like Google, email platforms, and marketing systems, helping businesses streamline operations. If your business relies on building trust and staying top of mind with clients, LionDesk offers practical tools to support your growth. Subscribe for more honest CRM reviews and productivity tips.